Hello, everybody. Welcome to On Air at NBC Studios, home to our very own late-night talk show experience. You're going to learn firsthand what it takes to produce a network late-night talk show. You could be the host, the guest, the announcer, or part of the band. How about behind the scenes in the crew or in our studio audience? There's a place for each and every one of you. This could be the role of a lifetime, the start of a new career. Okay, let's get our bearings here. Our studio comes fully equipped. There's an announcer podium, the entrance curtain, the home base interview area, and the bandstand. Then there's the studio floor where the 3 cameras are positioned. Behind the glass is the control room, the heart of the show operations. And last but not least, the studio audience area. And they love this show, right? The control room technicians will operate the video, lighting, and graphics, and receive a cue when it's time to activate their control panel. The cameras have everyone in focus, and when you see this on the screen ahead, we are on the air. Our stage manager will count you down, and right on cue, our announcer says,
"Welcome to the show with tonight's guest."
And we see the audience has finally shown up. And now our host. Our host will enter and greet the audience, say a little joke. Please laugh. Then the host will go behind the desk and introduce our guest. From a short series of questions from the host, they will create a very funny interview. Don't worry, it's all in the script. And that audience, aren't they awesome? Then, oops, what do you know? We're out of time. The host tells the audience they've been great. Good night, everyone. The band plays the theme music. They move, they groove, so feel free to join in. Everybody is dancing in the seats. Go to black, we're off the air, the show is over. But wait, there's more. It's instant replay. You'll get to watch a playback of clips from the show you just created, and you'll see there were cameras watching you too. Yeah, we're sneaky that way. Then when you leave, you'll automatically receive an email with a link to the show that you just created. Visit the Tour at NBC Studios website to watch and share the video. And then you get to share it with family and friends and let them see for themselves how you made it in the Big Apple. All right, everyone, this is your moment. Make me proud now. Have fun and have a great show.